Hi, welcome to another SMC's how-to video. Today we are going to show you how to replace a valve of our new SY valve manifold. Let's start. Begin by fully loosening the two screws securing the blanking plate to the manifold base. Here, we see size 5000, but for larger size 7000 there happen to be 3 mounting screws. Once you lift it off, lightly push the new valve onto the base, ensuring that the solenoid plug locates correctly before tightening its screws. So, you've seen how easy it is to modify our SY valve manifold. Take a look at our other SMC's how-to videos to see all the possibilities our products bring to you.